In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company settings in QuickBooks Online. Getting these settings right from the start makes everything else smoother. Your invoices look professional, your reports are accurate, and your customers know exactly how to reach you. Begin by clicking the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen to open the Settings menu. From there, select Account and Settings. This is your control center for company details and how your information appears across QuickBooks. In the Company section, enter your core business information. Type in your company name exactly as you want it to appear on invoices, estimates, and customer-facing documents. Add your business address, making sure it's complete and formatted consistently. Enter your primary email and phone number. These are what customers will use to contact you, so choose accounts that are actively monitored. If you have a website, include it to give customers a quick way to learn more about your services. You'll also see an option to select your industry. Pick the one that best fits your business, as this helps QuickBooks tailor certain settings and reports to your needs. You can also enter your legal information for tax purposes. This typically includes your legal business name and any details required for tax filings. Keeping this accurate ensures that statements and tax-related documents display the correct information. While you're here, review the customer contact info fields to confirm how you want your contact details to show on sales forms. This is where you define what your customers will see, helping you present a consistent, professional image. At the top of the page, you'll notice a logo area. Click on your current logo to change it to your company logo. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution image. A square or nearly square image often fits best, and a PNG format with a transparent background helps it look crisp on invoices and estimates. If the preview doesn't look right, try a different size or crop to make sure it appears sharp and centered. Once everything looks good, click Done. Your changes will be saved and applied across your account. You can always return to account and settings later if your address changes, you update your phone number, or you rebrand with a new logo. Keeping this information current helps avoid confusion and maintains a professional presence with your customers. And that's all it takes to set up your company settings in QuickBooks Online.